viewers, today I've also come with a new topic, but this is one kind of topic which I have told already. But it's the modern series of this topic. So the name of the topic is that count every drops of water. So why this topic has given a name like that? You are thinking that, I think. So I can tell you that why these things are told. Count every drop of water. So in the ancient time, the Rome and another kind of country, there was the lackage of water, more lackage, but and also many sandy place who had a lot of sand here and there, means only a like of desert. They doesn't get water so much. So as like them, today some kind of modern country are also facing the same problem, such as what I can tell, Singapore. Singapore as a place which is very beautiful place, but they doesn't have any sweet water. They have refined water. What is the meaning of refined water? So to convert the salted water into sweet water, and in at the form it's called refined water. So the Singapore is one of the rich countries, but they have no water because drops are countable. So now what is the meaning of drop are countable? Now I have told that because all the drops of water is about a lot of money. Why? Water cannot be. If you want to buy water, you can't in the future, because then water become expensive things. But why? Now we are efficient water in the world. If the world is 100%, then about 90% of this world are water. So what is the problem? Why there is a lackage of water? At first also my confusion was like that, but after solving these things, I think that yes, the problem maybe happen. So why in this 90%, only 30% are fresh water and another 60% are salted water? So you can think that we refine the water, then we can drink well, but so much costly. As our country and as another country, it need a lot of electricity, energy, fuel, but a lot of problem. So where can we get those kind of electric energy? Do you know that in the Saudi Arab also they refine the water and also make the artificial rain? But how? When the cloud comes, then they spray the salt in the molecules of cloud. So for this reason it rains. But without that it won't rain. So for this reason they can drink water. But do you know this word? When this energy will become finished, then their water will become finished. So why? You're thinking why? Why these things are happening? So when they are making their water as their electricity, they are using solar panels and another kind of energy, because they're so much rich country. They're using energy, and after using energy, they are doing like that. What can I do? Then they are making all the fossil fuel and to make the energies, and after that using those energies on making water, because then you have to use the fuel for burning, not a burning for boiling the water. For refining we need electricity, so there we will have also electricity. But when this will finish, they will finish. So for this reason, count every water drops. Don't waste water. But do you know that in before of Sunday, the people that see that the rivers are become little. But why? Because we are throwing the plastic here and there. It's making the river destroy. rainfall become stopped. Why? Because no water that can warm. So this is the problem of nowadays. And do you know that there is also another kind of problem? So what is this problem? So this problem is that if you need water, you need rain. Rain will become little. And another problem, for making this rain, you need water in the pond and another kind of water place. But the water of the places become little. How will water come? So, as the scientific theory, the people has making they have make a chart on that. They doesn't then they think a lot of problems are happening. So what to do? What to do? So after that, they can get a rule that they doesn't waste water. They make a theory. They will use that theoretically, with a very experienced power, so that the water cannot become spoiled. So this scientific theory helps us to conserve to contain the water till now, because now the scientists are doing many kind of things, such as to refine used water again and again, which make a lot of water uses decrease. Now, do you know that in the America, the people suppose people use 10,000 billion unlimited water in 1 month, but suppose they use 10%. Suppose, but if the human of the America become 4 times more, what will happen? The people of Bangladesh become 3 times more. So the people of India become 2 times more. So these times more and more. So then what will happen? Do you know that the Japan use a lot of water, but now they have decreased the number of using water. But how? Because they has stopped of spoiling water. And they refine the water again and again. They make every canals big. They make a chance of that. For this reason, till now in many kind of countries there are water. So this is our conclusion was that in many parts of the world there is water, but how many water are good water for drink, sweet water for drink? No, only salted water. So now you can think that this salted water can be used in planting. The plant doesn't live in the salted water. They will die when you give salted water on them. This is the problem. Only salt production in the salted water. So, do you know that in this salted water, any kind of trees cannot become alive. Do you know that every year the cropland need a lot of water? Why? Why does it need a lot of water? So, let's know about this kind of problem. So, the problem is that all of the farmers are using water, gallon and gallon water on the farmland to make this wet, that this kind of things become dry, and not dry, become wet. So do you know that when they're taking water from the deepest of the land, then the layer of the land become down, layer of the water become down. So for this reason, it's also a bad thing. When the rain come, then the rain cannot go to the river, because those kind of cropland absorb this rain so much strongly. Yes, this is the problem. And for this reason, the water of the time that to refine water or drinking water become decreased. So there is also many kind of theory like that of spoiling water. So you can understand that what is the great importance of water. And after that, seeing this kind of things, many kind of country will reuse the water again. Therefore, they have make the spoiled water into fresh water and refine that and drink that, and also use for another kind of work. So now we can understand that we will also do like that. That we have to we have many trees and now we will make water, but no chance, because it become ecology become down when you cut the trees. So for this reason there are many problems. But now water become able to drink, because there is no problem in water at this kind of moment. In the previous moment there was, but now most of the problem the scientist has decreased. So how many people are become happy to know about this matter? So comment. I become also happy, because without water what can I do? So the water is also called as life. So as the experiment of the scientists, they have told that now the technology has given us a lot of ways to conserve the water, dams, tunnel, and another kind of things, such as drums, tunnel, and artificial lake, artificial river sometime. So this has helped us a lot, because now we can conserve the water. So we can slow well, fish production well, electricity production well. Do you know that when the dam becomes full of water, then the turbines are set, turbines, and which make the water electricity, waterborne electricity. So this water electricity go by all make all of the electricity more strong. So there is a lot of kind of matter of the salted water also, and by that all way our technology is helping the world in most of the ways. Most of the people of the world are depend on the technology. When this will destroy, then I think that the people will also destroy, because many kind of problems may be happen. Now if you don't have electricity, then you can conserve the water. Then the water become dirty, then you can drink the water well. So then how was your life happen? Bad. But now electricity make changed, and then they have make like that. No problem in water. Everyone can drink water. Safe water. You know that every day in the previous time, every day about 10,000 or 20,000 childs become die for unsafe water. But now it has decreased a lot, because now there is also refined water, fresh water, refined water, and what can I tell you? Mostly good water. So by that way, this was our topic today. So if you want to get more vlogs like that, follow my YouTube channel. You know that in my YouTube channel you can get a lot of kind of vlogs like that. Interesting vlog, test classes, biology, some kind of biology also, and also a lot. What in a district discrimination also. So by that way, this was our topic today. Bye. Please subscribe my channel that I become more motivated to make more vlogs like that.